Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class 10. Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Come,
Good morning, ma'am.
let's close our eyes and say the Lord's Prayer together. And who will lead us today? Avika will lead us today in the Lord's Prayer. Unmute your all mics and then we can all say the Lord's Prayer together. Avika, start.
Our Father, Uta,
Tell everyone to close their eyes, fold their hands.
our Father who art in
Our
heaven,
Father, who art in heaven,
Our Father who art
hallowed,
in heaven,
hallowed be thy name.
hallowed
hallowed
be
be
thy
thy
name.
name.
Thy kingdom come,
Thy
Thy
kingdom come.
kingdom come,
thy will be done
Thy
thy
will
will
be
be
done
done
on earth
on
on earth
earth
as it is
as it
as it
is
is
in heaven.
in
in
heaven.
heaven.
Give us this day
Give us this
This
day
day
our daily bread,
our daily bread,
and forgive us
and
and
forgive
forgive us
us
trespasses
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 as we
as
as
we
we
forgive those
forgive
forgive
those
those
who trespass
who trespass
against us.
against us,
and lead us
And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us
not
from
into
evil.
temptation from evil.
Thine
For
is the
thine is the
kingdom,
kingdom,
power,
Power
and the
and
glory
glory
forever and ever. God bless you all. All right, so you all got the points yesterday. All of you have those points yesterday. Yes?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
हम खुशी को admit कर लीजिए.
Okay. Lucky information also there. Yes, I'll do that. Okay, so I'll do that. Don't worry. I can see the people in the waiting room. I'll keep admitting. Uh, it's only later that today I've opened the participants list, so I think I should be able to. Okay, have you all put down your 5 points and your 2 points for experience? Have you written it down in the notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you are ready? Okay, then quickly we
Yes,
will.
ma'am.
Okay, anyone who is still left to do it in the notebook, proper letter. Anyone else who's left? If you're left, you can quickly do it now. I'm giving you 5 minutes. And those of you finish, show me your registers. You can all start showing me your registers, please. Who is starting to show? Manav, are you through?
Yes, ma'am, but I am working on the laptop, so ma'am, I have to screen share.
No, why are you, why haven't you done the work on the register? You're supposed to be working on the register and not on the computer. I have not asked you to do it on the laptop at all. You may do it.
बट मैम मैम रजिस्टर नहीं करा है लेकिन लैपटॉप में ठीक से नहीं दिख पाएगा.
आप दिखा दीजिए, मुझे दिख जाएगा. I'll try. Place your register in front of the web camera. Hold it against your face. हाँ, like that. थोड़ा सा इसको straight पकड़ो. दोनों हाथ से पकड़ो. Put both the hands, yeah, and then bring it. Yeah, I can see it. Okay. Okay, so you had a date problem, 27 July, grandfather. I'm happy to receive your gift given to me on my uh, birthday. Be small, take care. Full stop. I hope you and grandmother are absolutely fine. Absolutely in good health. Fine is a good wrong word. My dear children, this is for everyone. We will not be using the word fine. Fine is not acceptable in English language. Okay, this is called a slang. Fine. Fine is not to be spoken. Okay, and to be you may speak it, but it's not to be written in any letters. So instead, we will have to use the word. I hope you and grandmother are absolutely in good health. That's what you mean, na? That I hope you're all in good health. So correct that, Manav. Abhi, let me finish it first. आगे क्या लिखा है? Fine. Fine there. Full stop. I want to share something about online classes. Pretty dirty there. I hope next time will be neat. Our online classes are being uh, keep it up, keep it up. Uh, हाँ थोड़ा बस ऐसे रख लो ठीक है. During this corona times, okay, we find a little bit difficulty due to network issues. We have our online classes on winter in the morning and then in the evening. A school is experimenting to find the most suitable way for our learning. Teachers also give us homework and we have to submit it by clicking a picture. Okay, 5 points तो नहीं हुए शायद. 1, 2, 3, 4 and okay. Next 2 points. Disconnecting points. I am enjoying online classes, but sometimes, okay, but sometimes it also irritates me when internet connection is slow. अभी yours lovingly नहीं आएगा. अभी तो हमें 2 लाइन और लिखनी है. ये तो अभी मेन था, ठीक है. अभी मैंने नहीं बोला था कि end करो. Great, good. Now we, yeah, all right. I'll be going through everybody's letter so that you know it's like you are sure of what you're writing. What's the point that you write and you don't know? Yeah, good. We managed. See, with laptop we managed. क्योंकि कैमरा आगे होता है ना बेटा, तो कॉपी उसको सामने होल्ड करोगे तो दिख जाता है. I could read it very easily. Okay, now we are moving to the. All of you have done till here. Anyone who's left and needs time?
Ma'am, I have not done.
Why?
Ma'am, I was absent in yesterday's class, so I didn't know about this.
Now, see, well, I won't talk about what's happened now, but I hope you're regular because the work is going on so much. And now, August, you know, you are going to have your half yearlies. So you need to be so regular and show me your work. Otherwise, again, you will have mistakes. So I just hope you'll be more regular. Who was this? I couldn't see the mic.
Ma'am Khushi.
Okay, Khushi. So I just hope that you'll be more regular now. Okay.
मैम अनुभव शर्मा वेटिंग रूम में है काफी देर से.
अरे हाँ, Vanshika भी है, अनुराग भी है. There are 3 people. I just saw. Thank you for reminding. Yeah, sometimes one of you can remind. I forget. So it's very visible on my screen, but sometimes I fail to look at that side. Thank you. All right. Anyone else who has not been able to finish the work and needs time, quickly tell me so that otherwise today we will finish this letter.
Ma'am, love.
What's happened now? Where are you? Finish it now, finish it now. And very important, another thing, dear children, whatever we work, do the work, and you get it on your screen, take a screenshot. Somebody or the other should take a screenshot so that we can keep posting it in our WhatsApp, our own language group, so that if somebody is absent or you have missed out something, you could not copy at that time very well, all that can be used by all of us. So it will be my humble request. Anyone can take up the responsibility of clicking whatever work we do. Like yesterday, we had so many points. Did anyone do the screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Thank you. That's so wonderful. So what you can do is you can put it in the group. Okay, keep putting it in the group, please. It will help all of us. All right, let's move to the closing 2 lines. Now will come our 4th paragraph. This letter we are making 4 paragraphs because the middle we had 2 paragraphs, isn't it? This was a little bigger topic, so we broke it into 2 paragraphs, one big and one small. Now closing paragraph, which is called the last paragraph. So let's take up last paragraph. And what will be the disconnecting line? We did discuss yesterday. Chat me the disconnecting lines. Disconnect now from you were talking about online classes, and then I hope you've all done the experience. I'm happy, I'm enjoying, I look forward to, or I am not happy. Okay, very good, Himab. That's lovely. I would like to know how you feel about these online classes. Great. And keep giving me the second line also with it. Along with it only, closing line. Now, my regards to. Now here you can't say convey, but you can directly say my regards to you, grandfather, and to convey my regards to grandmother. I would like to know if you were of my age, would you enjoy these online classes or dislike them? That's wonderful, Manav. That's lovely. But only one thing will change here, little grammar mistake. I would like to know if you were of my age, would you? When you ask a question, we bring the question word first. Would you enjoy, would you have correct it, would you have enjoyed these online classes? My regards to you and convey my regards to grandmother. I would like to know about your daily routine in this lockdown. Give my regards to grandmother. उनको नहीं दोगे, grandfather को नहीं दोगे विनय? My regards to you and give my regards to grandmother. Very good. Yeah. जिनका approve होता जा रहा है वो अपने register में लिखते जाएं. I would like to know if you were of my age, would you have enjoyed these online classes? Yes, Manav. And इसमें connect one more line. Regards भी लिख दो. Keep showing quickly. Any other? one we have, we are asking about them if they had online classes. You can even ask them that I would like to hear from you soon. Okay, I would like to hear about from you soon. Okay, good. Yes, go on, go on. Yeah, finish up the last two lines and then leave a line again. And then, have you all reached the last? Yeah, any more lines coming up? Hemant was trying to type something. All right. Is it possible that you can start showing? I would like to know your suggestion on online classes. Arman, a little grammatically you will have to change. I would like to know your opinion, aise kar lo. I would like to know your opinion and suggestions. I would like to know about your opinion and suggestions about online classes. I would like to know your opinion and suggestions about online classes. Any new thought you have, just type it down so that I can help you with your correction of grammar. I would like to know your opinion and suggestions about online classes. Wonderful. No need for a question mark now. Yes, good. And disconnect and the closing line. My regards. See, this is called the disconnecting line, in which you have now finished the letter about online classes and you're coming out of it. So that is called the disconnecting line, plus now closing line about regards. Because closing line again has one mark. Quickly finish, then we'll give marks today. We have to give marks today. You will give your marks to yourself so that, okay, now we come to the last part. Okay, now I'm on the, I'm sharing the screen, and we'll be doing now the last part. How do I write this? This is so difficult. Okay. You left the line and the last part would be, you already know it, but I'm still doing it so that we get it correct. I'm changing one word. Instead of lovingly, are you able to see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Great.
ma'am.
Great. I'm doing it so that you can get the spelling right. Now, instead of lovingly, I want you to use the word affectionately. Now, I didn't talk about affectionately because I thought you may have a problem with spelling, but I thought no, it's better. एक बार गलती होगा, दो बार होगा, but then I think in the whole year, I'm sure you will learn this spelling. So this is the spelling we will use for informal letters, okay? Yours affectionately. Now tell me, what do you prefer? Do you prefer this or do you prefer, you can take a choice, but don't play and don't get confused. Choose one and we will follow that in the whole class. Choose.
Yours affectionately.
Which one?
I'm your affectionately.
Yours
Yours
affectionately.
affectionately.
Or do you want your affectionate grandson?
Your affectionate.
See, now why I'm telling you why I didn't want to take up this, but I'm thinking of taking it up because you are a smart class. Not because we are having a smart class, but because you children are very smart. Is often I have seen, my dear children, this is the catch. So I'm trying to, tell you what can be the problem. बच्चे दोनों में mix कर देते हैं. वो लिखते हैं, या तो लिख देते हैं your affectionately, या लिख देते हैं वो yours affectionate son, grandson. So I know children get confused in this. So actually I will only follow one. I'm asking you again, think about it. All informal letters. Either you can take yours affectionately or you can write your affectionate friend, your affectionate son, your affectionate daughter. ये grandson बदलता रहेगा, है ना? यहाँ पे जो भी रिश्ता है, your affectionate niece or nephew, let it be. I think यहाँ I feel कि गड़बड़ हो जाएगी, है ना? There could be a mistake here. What do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
Chances I
Yes,
know
ma'am.
children often commit mistakes here. बहुत मैंने देखा है, इसकी वजह से पूरा आधा नंबर चला जाता है. This whole thing is half a mark. So the children lose out. So let's stick to what I'm telling you. I thought I'll share with you, है ना, that you should know कि ये ऐसे भी होता है. I don't think so you should follow this. Even I am not of the opinion, until and unless any one of you feels very confident about it, only then take it up. Okay, so I'm removing this. We'll go by yours affectionately, and then of course in the next line it would be only first name. Yours affectionately and only your first name, whatever it may be, Khushi or Nandini or any name, Vishesh or Anubhav, any first name. So that, and A should be capital, Vishesh. V should look double the size. And in computers it's easy. See, computer में तो auto designed alphabets हैं, है ना? Auto designed letters हैं, sorry. So it's not a problem. But in the register when we write, our hands commit mistakes. So that's how, and you're supposed to leave a line here, है ना? Give my regards and all that. That you finished, and then leave a line and then go by this. I hope you've all seen this and written down. And please
Yes, ma'am.
start showing me your letters. I would like to invite you and my grandmother for my birthday party, and we will discuss more about these online classes. That's wonderful, Manav. Wonderful. My regards to you and my grandmother. Wonderful. I'm enjoying it. I'm loving your letters. This is so amazing. This is so wonderful. Himab is already showing. Let me just have एक minute बेटा, थोड़ा सा नहीं, अभी थोड़ा focus नहीं हो रहा है. Little blurred. Yes, अब ठीक आया. This is the distance. I think we'll all learn about this. नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा दूर बस. Online classes are conducted by our school through an app called Schoolero. तेरा four नहीं आएगा. Oh yes, another thing. Good. ये मैं दूसरे वाले लेटर में भी बोलना भूल गई. My dear children, please lend me your ears for a minute. No numbers should be written in letters or anywhere in the language paper. Okay, this is not a maths class. So therefore I'm telling you all the reasons why we are not able to get full marks. Anna, did you know this? Did you know these mistakes?
Yes, ma'am.
You were aware of these mistakes? पहले पता
Yes,
था इस
ma'am.
मिस्टेक के बारे में, तो फिर क्यों कर
No,
रहे हैं?
ma'am.
तो नहीं पता था तो कोई बात नहीं, अब पता लग गया है ना. So we will write down FOUR, 4 TWO, and 35 will be THIR, 35. Okay, only time is something which we can write as 10 PM because उसको हम नहीं लिख पाएंगे, है ना. ये तभी बेटा scroll up date था ना, इसीलिए date में भी it cannot be 23 dot. Just go up on the date, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Just show me. I want to talk of the mistake children make. So, yeah, you see, this is called writing date in English. 27 TH. Otherwise, and then July, right? In maths, mathematical way of writing date is 27.7.20, isn't it? I'm sure you write. दिखाना ऊपर classwork में date डाला है. Show me your date of classwork. ऊपर वाला, पेज के ऊपर वाला. नहीं, कहाँ से शुरू करा था? ये. हाँ, yeah. So now you can put your date. Yeah, show me the maths date now. This is that mathematical kind of date when you say 27/720 or 27 dot and all that. So that is a date which is not to be used in English language, because that is a mathematical way of putting date. And could you bring it back, him up please, to our English date. So your concept should be clear कि वो कौन सी date लिखनी है और क्यों लिखनी है. Great. Ending please. Yeah, could you flip the page please? We gave our and no abbreviations. Okay. Go back. No abbreviations. Where is the abbreviation? Yes, UT. No abbreviations anywhere in your language paper. I'm not talking of letter. It nowhere, whether it is email, notice, or whether it is your composition, or whether it is your unseen passage, nowhere. We have to write down. We gave our unit test, U capital, T capital. ये UT test क्या होता है? By the way, redundancy, repetition. Underline that. Redundancy, understand, means when we are repeating some words uselessly. Now, UT is what? Unit test. T means test, isn't it? And now we are writing UT test. So what if we open the bracket, है ना, maths करते हैं. If we open the bracket, then it will be unit test, isn't it? I'm not talking of him up. I'm not talking of the mistakes of him up, my dear children. When I take up one sheet, it is to help you with your mistakes. I'm sure there'll be so many who've committed this mistake. कितनों का आया ये mistake? Raise your hands. ये सारा mistake कितनों ने करा? Raise your hand. You have the option of raising your hand. I don't see your hands. That means nobody did this mistake. Okay, Hemant is truth, telling us the truth. Arman, good. Who else? These mistakes of abbreviation mistake or digit mistake. Yes, Dipanshu, good. So please correct it. Please correct it. बेटा मैं underline करो, गोल बनाओ जैसे हिमब ने बनाया. Very good. And then write down the correction also there. Beta, you can do the correction,
Okay,
Himab,
ma'am.
and then we'll see.
Ma'am,
Yes. Show me the next page now. I want to see the ending. New methods of education. No, new methods of education, nahi beta. New methods of learning. Education is not the right word. It would be learning. We have new methods of teaching and learning, or learning because you're a student, it can be learning. For me as a teacher, if I were to write, I would say new methods of teaching. Our school is experimenting to find the most suitable way for our learning. Full stop is there, I hope. I enjoy the, I enjoy, after enjoy, what is there? I enjoy the, Achha, there's nothing. I enjoy the online classes, but it irritates me when the internet connection is slow. I hope you have a full stop after slow. At times वो light पड़ता है ना तो दिखता नहीं है. I think it's already there. There's that reflection coming from your window probably. Our teachers uses. When we have teachers, then in the verb s will not be there. Our teachers use singular. Our teachers is plural, so verb will be use. When we say our teacher singular, this is again for all of you. Our teacher singular, then we write uses. Idhar plural, we make it s. Our teacher uses. Kahin note kar lo ye sentence, so that next time when you are in a doubt, you will know. Margin में लिख लो ऊपर that our teacher hoga, then it will be uses. You can underline s and here teacher. And the second thing will be our teachers. If here it is teachers, then in the verb there'll be no s. S is only one side. Show me what have you written in the margin. Let me have a look so that we can share it with others also. Yeah, put down in the margin, please. No, up ऊपर लिखो, यहाँ नहीं आएगा, यहाँ नहीं आएगा बेटा, यहाँ नहीं आएगा. ऊपर वाला margin में लिखो, यहाँ लिखो लंबा वाला. You do it. I think I'll just share the screen in the meantime, and I think I'll write it also. Now, I'm doing this for you so that you can all remember it. Suppose the sentence is the all of you can take it down so that you can remember it. The teacher uses, suppose the word is black board, full stop. So when it is singular, here this teacher is singular, teacher, there is no s, okay? This is called verb. Now this is called, okay, uses is verb. So verb will take s. Whenever noun, this is noun, okay? You can write down, please write down at the somewhere at the end of the letter. Margin में भी मत लिखो. I think you can write this somewhere under the letter. ये बहुत important है. ये mistake बेटा composition में भी होती है, email में भी होती है, सब जगह आपका ये grammar mistake है. This is called language mistake. ये आप लोग sorry tenses mistake है ये, है ना? So I'll teach more about tenses on this, but right now I'm taking up one thing. So when this noun, this is your now this is your noun. I don't know if I can color it or not. I won't explain it to you. So teacher, this is the noun. Whenever we have so whenever we have so this is the noun, and when there is no S in this noun, you can write down this. Thank you. Thank you. That was so nice of you, whoever did that. The teacher is the noun and there is no S in it. You see there is no S in it. That means this is singular. When this is singular, then here we have this is the verb. Uses, plays, dances. This is the verb. Verb will have S. If noun is singular or pronoun is singular, I, then this will have S. And now when it becomes so ये word की तरह नहीं चलता. I'm thinking it works like word, but it doesn't accept things like copy paste नहीं है ना? Anyone any idea? Does it have a copy paste?
No, ma'am.
No, I think they don't have. They have not given a copy paste, no, in this. Okay, I'm about. Oh my God! It says less than a minute. We are going to finish the meeting. So write down the last two lines quickly. You're choosing what? Yours affectionately. Okay, so put down at the end. Yours affectionately. Oh, the time is going to run out now. Okay. Put down yours affectionately, and I don't think so I'll have time to see today, so I'll see it in